So in this video, you'll learn how to change the home screen layout of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So whether you'd prefer a normal home screen layout with everything on the home screen, or you'll prefer to have an apps drawer, then I'll be showing you how to do so in this video. So the first step in order for you to change the home screen layout is to just navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you want to scroll and select the option home screen. From here, look for home screen layout and tap on it, and then you'll have two options. You'll have home and app screens, and then you'll have home screen only. So if you want to switch from home and app screen or apps drawer to the home screen only, you're just going to select that option and then choose apply. From here, now when you navigate to the home screen of your phone, you should notice that every single app that was previously in the apps drawer has been moved all to the home screen. So if you ever try to access the apps drawer, what you're doing is just activating the search function on your phone. If you want to switch from the home screen only to the apps drawer, what you're going to do is just go back to settings, and then under home screen, you're going to choose home screen layout, select home and app screens, tap on apply, and now when you go to the home screen, you should be able to see the home screen as well as swiping up to view the apps drawer. And so that's how you can change the home screen layout on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.